Okay, ji everyone, exercise 14B, question number 1, part C. Every single one, hurry up. Okay. What we are doing right now, we have octagon in this prism in the form of base area. So what we have to do, we have to draw the imaginary line over here. You can see that from here to here, I create that imaginary line. And after this imaginary line, the base area change in the form of three right angle triangles. The first right angle triangle is here, the second right angle triangle is here, and the third right angle triangle is here. Okay, so I write base area is equals to three right angles, and I write like this r1 plus r2 r3. जब आप इन तीनों को ऐड करेंगे तब आपको बेस एरिया की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट होगी. ठीक है, so r1 is equals to lb. Every right angle triangle, or every, sorry, rectangle is equals to l multiplied by b. Okay, so how can we write the values? Okay ji, when we draw this line over here, so हमारे पास l multiply by b इस फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. 6 multiply by 3, यहाँ पे आपके पास 6 नहीं लिखा हुआ in your book. How can we write this? The height of this leg is equals to the opposite side of this, because हमारे पास लेंथ इन दोनों की सेम होगी. तो अगर 6 यहाँ पे है तो ऑटोमेटिकली 6 ऑन दी अदर साइड पे आ जाएगा आपके पास. ठीक है, so we have L multiplied by B of this right angle triangle. Oh, sorry, rectangle. Sorry, everyone. And 6 multiplied by 5 we have of this rectangle. Okay, so R1 is equal to 6 multiplied by 3, and this right rectangle is equals to 6 multiplied by 5. Okay, everyone. And this right angle rectangle is equals to 16. 16 यहाँ पे आ गया एज अ ब्रेथ आपके पास. एंड हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट लेंथ? लेंथ हम किस तरह फाइंड आउट करेंगे? 9 माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर. 9 is the total length of this height. ठीक है, when we draw this imaginary line, ठीक है, so this area is equals to 6 centimeters. So that's why we minus 9 centimeter from 6 centimeter and find out the length of only this side. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आ गया आपके पास 3 सेंटीमीटर. 3 multiplied by 6 आ गया. We have to find the product of these rectangle. After finding that, 18, 30, 85, 84, 48, sorry. ठीक है, now add them and we just find out the value of base area of this prism. 96 centimeter square is the base area of this prism. Okay, after base area, वॉल्यूम ऑफ प्रिज्म इज इक्वल टू बेस एरिया मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट. बेस एरिया में आप बेस एरिया की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 10 सेंटीमीटर. ओके एवरीवन. Okay, find the product of these two terms and we find out the volume of prism is 960 centimeter cube. Volume is always in the form of cube. Everybody knows this thing. Regardless any of the unit is here, but your power is always in the form of cube. And you know the reason behind, because आपके पास ये सारी चीजें क्या हैं? In the form of थ्री डायमेंशनल 3D shape है और 3 dimensional figure की form है. That's why the volume is always in the form of cube. Okay, everyone. Okay. Hurry up, everyone. Okay, ji, we have now this prism. In this prism, we have the base area in the form of trapezium. So we write over here base area is equals to trapezium. The formula of trapezium is 1/2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. This is the formula of trapezium, everyone. You have to learn this. It's very easy. Okay, ji. Now we have to put the values 1/2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides. These two are parallel to each other. 18 plus 14 are the parallel sides of this trapezium. So we have to write 18 plus 16 over here. Multiply by height. The height of this trapezium is 6. Here it is.
Miss,
Hmm.
Miss 18 plus 14.
Yes, beta 18. Oh, sorry, 14, 14. Sorry. Thank you. Okay. And the height of this prism is equals to 6. Okay. Simplify कर लेते हैं 1 जा 3 जा, and after simplifying this 18 plus 14 is equals to
32.
32. Very good. 32 multiplied by 3 आ गया हमारे पास. After simplifying this, then what is the 96, right?
Yes, Miss.
6 centimeter.
Yes, Miss.
Centimeter.
Square.
Very centimeter square. Very good, everyone. So we just find out the base area of this prism as well, and the answer is 96 centimeter square. Okay, after this we need to find out the volume of prism. Okay, Daud, what is the formula of volume of prism? Daud. Okay, Zanan, you tell me.
Base area multiplied by height.
Very good, very good. Base area multiply by height. Okay, base area we just find out 96 centimeters square. What is the height of this trapezium? 12. Height of prism is 12 centimeter. So we write 12 centimeter over here. Okay. Okay, Daud beta. Okay. Please find the product of these two terms and tell me the answer. Hurry up.
Miss 1152.
1000.
152.
Very good. 1152 centimeter.
Cube. Cube.
Very, very good. Very good. Challenging.
Miss.
Wait.
Miss हो गया.
Okay, done. Hurry up, everyone. You have only 2 minutes to complete this. Hurry up.
Miss 12 कैसे height हुई? Volume of prism जब निकाल रहे थे तो 12 कैसे?
Always remember that on this side of figure, you have always the height of prism as well. This is the base area. Base area में this thing is include this whole thing. And this side of thing is always the height of prism.
Miss. Miss 18 फिर Miss 18 क्या?
देखो, can you see that? What is the shape is this? This thing.
Square.
This. What? Can anyone tell me what shape is this? जहाँ पे मैं point out कर रही हूँ.
Square.
trapezium, square,
Rectangle.
It's a rect. Beta trapezium आपके पास this thing is your trapezium. This part is your trapezium, but the upper side of this trapezium, very good, square है या rectangle है, whatever it is. अगर ये चीज rectangle है तो you know that opposite sides are equal to each other. अगर 18 आपके पास यहाँ है तो 18 आपके पास यहाँ भी है, because these two sides are equal to each other. Regardless it's rectangle, regardless it's square, these two sides are opposite to each other. That's why 18 अगर यहाँ था तो मैंने 18 आपका यहाँ पे भी लिख दिया. That's it. Simple.
तो मिस 18 लेंथ है या मिस लेंथ ही है ना?
बेटा लेंथ नहीं है आपके पास, ये ब्रेथ है.
ओके
विड्थ
मिस.
है. ओके okay जी, we have this prism right now and we have in our base area in the form of pentagon. As you can see that there are 5 sides. Okay, now we can't find volume of prism directly, so what we have to do, we have to draw the imaginary line over here. After drawing this imaginary line, we have changed this pentagon into 2 shapes. And what are the shapes? This is rectangle and this is triangle. We have 2 shapes now in our base area, so we have to write like this. Base area is equals to rectangle plus triangle. Okay, first of all we label this figure. If we have triangle here, so opposite sides are equal to each other. If 10 is here, so 10 is all here also. If 13 is here, so 13 is all here also. Okay, so L multiplied by B is equals to 13 multiplied by 10. As you can see that because length and breadth is equals to 13 and 10. Okay everyone, that's why I write 13 multiplied by 10 over here. Plus triangle. What is the formula of triangle? 1 upon 2. Sorry. 1 upon 2 multiply by breadth multiply by height. Okay everyone, so how can we write this? Okay, I just rotating this ताकि आप लोगों को पता चल जाए कि what we have. This is the triangle. बल्कि मैं इसको अलग से बना के दिखा देती like this. देखिए, this thing is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay everyone. Okay, now how can we find this thing? If these two things, ये किस चीज से दिया हुआ है, ये भी आपको rectangle. If 6 is here, so 6 is here also, because these two things are opposite to each other. Okay, this is the height of this triangle. So height में भी आपके पास क्या आ गया? 6 centimeter. And if 8 centimeter is here, so 8 centimeter is, this is the breadth of this triangle. Okay, now we find the values of triangle as well. So I'm writing over here plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by breadth is equals to 8, height is equals to 6. 1 is 4. Okay, 130. 13 multiplied by 10 is equals to 130 plus 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. 130 plus 4 6 24. If we add them together, 154 centimeters square. The base area of this prism is equals to 154 centimeter square. Okay, now after finding this, we have to find the volume of prism. One 154 centimeter square multiply by what is the height of this prism is this 5 centimeter. Okay, so we write 5 over here. Okay, can anyone please multiply this for me? Okay, 770 centimeter cube is the answer of this prism. Volume of prism is equals to 770. Okay, ji, part F, everyone. Part F. In part F, what is the base area? Can anyone tell me? Okay, Kravita. Okay, what is the base area in this figure? Hurry up.
Miss triangle.
No. Can you see the proper triangle here? It's not triangle. It's like
Miss
this.
rectangle.
It's like this. इस शेप में आपके पास आपका बेस एरिया. So what is the shape?
Miss pentagon.
Very good. It's pentagon again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we have to do if we have pentagon in base area, we have to draw the imaginary line. So we have to, sorry. Okay. So we have to draw the imaginary line over here. And in figure, it's given already like this. After doing this, what are the shapes after imaginary line? Now what are the shapes we have in base area?
Miss
Miss
triangle.
triangle.
Rectangle.
Very good. One triangle and one rectangle. Very good, Sana and Manur. Triangle is here and rectangle is here. Everyone please mark these things in your book as well ताकि जब कल आप open करो तो आपको पता चले कि why we are doing all this. ठीक है? Okay, after doing this, we have to write base area is equals to rectangle plus triangle. We have to write the formula as well. Rectangle is equals to L multiplied by B plus triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by B multiplied by H. Okay. What are the values of rectangle? Can anyone tell me, please? Aisha, can you please tell me what are the values of rectangle? Aisha Ali, I am talking to you. Okay. Aisha Ali is not telling me. Zanain, can you please tell me what is the value of rectangle in this prism?
Miss,
Hmm.
Miss 18 and 3.
Very good. 18 multiplied by 3. If you can see here, यहाँ पे आपके पास 18 लिखा हुआ है और यहाँ पे आपके पास 3 लिखा हुआ है. Simple. 18 multiplied by 3 are the values of rectangle. Simple. ये देखें. 18 and 3. It's very clear. Okay. So 18 multiplied by 3 आ गया आपके पास यहाँ. And what are the values of triangle? Okay, triangle is a little bit tricky, but it's not difficult. Okay, now can anyone tell me what is the breadth and height of triangle? Breadth तो
Miss,
आपके पास सेम रहेगी, because 18 अगर यहाँ पे आपके पास और rectangle है, so 18 आपके पास यहाँ भी आ जाएगा. So 18 is the breadth. Can anyone tell me about the height? Yes, Sana beta.
Miss 12.
12 होगी height.
जी मिस.
No, मेरा बेटा.
नहीं
If
मिस
we
12 minus 3.
very good, because we create this imaginary line, the length of this whole length is equals to 9 centimeter. But if we create the imaginary line, so वो cut हो गया ना 3 यहाँ से, तो 9 centimeter minus 3 करेंगे, so we have 6 centimeter. जब हम लोग इमेजिनरी लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं तो ये जो ये वाली चीज होती है ये कट हो जाती है. ओ सॉरी, 12 माइनस 3 करेंगे तो हमारे पास 9 सेंटीमीटर बचेगा. आई एम वेरी सॉरी अबाउट इट. ओके एवरीवन, जब इमेजिनरी लाइन आ जाती है हमारे पास इन बिटवीन एनीथिंग, सो वो चीज आपके पास ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है, तो 3 सेंटीमीटर हम 12 में से माइनस कर देंगे, बिकॉज ये लाइन अब इस ट्राइंगल का पार्ट नहीं रही, इस रेक्टेंगल का पार्ट हो गई है. दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट ओवर हियर. अब यहाँ पे 12 माइनस 3 भी लिख सकते हैं आप, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली 9 भी लिख सकते हैं. 12 माइनस 3, ताकि आपको पता चले फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट दैट 9 फ्रॉम. ओके, ये आ गया. 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 इज
मैं 54.
54. ओके, प्लस 2 under 2, 2 9s are 9 multiplied by 9. 81, right? 54 plus 81, and what is the sum of this is 135 centimeter square. Okay, so the base area of this prism is equals to 135 centimeter square. Okay everyone, now after this, volume of prism is equals to base area multiplied by height is equals to 135 centimeter square multiplied by, what is the height of this prism is 35, sorry, 35 centimeter. Tell me the answer of this prism.
मैं
47.
4725.
4007. Okay मेरा बच्चा, this is the answer of this prism. Volume of prism is equals to 4725 everyone, centimeter cube. Okay. Okay ji, question number 2 everyone. In question number 2, what we have base area in the form of triangle. ठीक है, we have to complete the table. So AB is equals to, in that table, AB is equals to height of triangle, BC is equals to breadth of triangle. With the help of these two values, with the help of these two things, we are easily find out the base area of prism with AB and BC. Okay, after find out the base area of triangle, you need to find volume of prism, and the height of prism is in the form of CD in your table. The value of prism is in the form of CD. It's very easy. You can easily find out the other parts as well. Okay, everyone, please try part B and tell me the answer of part B. Hurry up. Okay, ji. Part B, everyone. Okay, ji. In part B, what you have to do, you have to put the values and see. You need to find out the breadth of triangle. How can you find out? Base area of triangle is given in your table, and that is 63 is equals to 1/2. You did not know the value of BC, so you write exactly like AB is equals to 9. Okay, everyone. Now what you have to do, 9/2 multiply by BC. Just divide both the और हमने रेसिप्रोकल करके चेंज कर दिया ऑन द अदर साइड. हमने इस पूरी फ्रैक्शन को वहां पे ले गए विद द ऑपोजिट साइन. ये हमारे पास डिवाइड की फॉर्म में था, वहां जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो गया. 9 हमारे पास मल्टीप्लाई की फॉर्म में था, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिवाइड आ गया. 9 1 जा 9, 9 7 जा 63. 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to BC, and the value of BC is 14 centimeter, like this. Okay, after finding this, what you have to do, you have to find the volume of prism. Base area multiply by height. Oh, sorry. Base area is equals to 63. 63 multiplied by 11. Okay, Zanan, wait mera beta. 963 centimeter cube is the answer of this part. Yes, mera beta, yes, Zanan. It's a little bit different, but it's a easy. You need to complete the table. If you know that what is A, B, B, C, and C, D, you can easily put the values and find out the answer. Noor, I am doing exercise 14B right now. Question number 2. We are complete the table. Okay, BC is equals to 14 centimeter and volume of prism is equals to 693 centimeter cube. Okay, ji, you have to complete the other parts. C and D are your homework. बहुत आसान है, कुछ भी नहीं करना आप लोगों को. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है आप लोगों को? You need to find out the area. आपको base area find out करना है, and then after base area, what you need to find out? You need to find out the height of triangle. Okay.